What is your top theme in the market right now, Dipen? What is it that convinces you most to get out there from a value growth perspective?
So, from a broader, macroeconomic perspective, we are cautious. Growth is falling off. Investments are not taking off. I think the policy mix is also not evolving. Especially the earlier momentum which happened towards the middle or the end of the last calendar year is not being sustained. If you look at the news channels, I think I see uniformly bad news. It's only the business news channels which seem to inspire. But within this tough situation, I think there are specific companies which are doing some great work. So, for example, we were very impressed with Dabur's volume growth this quarter, but the stock ran up almost immediately afterwards, despite valuations being fair or so. So, and we continue to be fans of ING Vysya Bank. Most investors would think that at about 1.8 or 1.9 times their 14 book value, this is probably fully priced. We would beg to differ. We think the pristine asset quality that we are seeing at ING Vysya is going to get it a premium multiple in future. They are working aggressively towards reducing cost income. Slippages just don't seem to come. I don't know if they are lending on Mars or something, but I think they are doing remarkably well as a bank, managing costs, not getting into bad loans, and if they are a little costly, I don't mind buying them. I think there's a fundraise going to happen, which is going to happen in ING Vysya between now and let's say the next 12 months or so. So I would think the stock should run up from here as well. About 15-20% upside is visible to me in anticipation of such a fundraise.
Well, the stock is up 70% in last 1 year. Some would argue that all the good news is in the price.
Well, I think you should let your horses run, your winning horses especially. And if you look at, the broader situation in the banking space, and you look at some of the PSU banks who are continuously struggling with asset quality, I think the kind of show that ING Vysya has given, has posted, is particularly inspiring, and I think this is still good for another 20-25% upside from here. So, so long as the story is intact and I don't see too much of a deviation from what they've done so far, I think the value is still there because they still have to cut down their cost-income ratio. It's come down by, I think, close to 500 or 600 bips in the last 1 year, and there's still room for improvement. So I think you will see an up move in ING Vysya rather than a down move from here.
Ritesh, TCS has gained some lost ground in last 2 or 3 days.